आज आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.2चे काही उदाहरणं पाहू. इथं आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे, इन फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल वी हॅव गिवन दॅट राईट द करेक्ट नंबर इन द गिवन बॉक्सेस फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन. खाली आपल्याला काही अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन दिलेले आहेत आणि आपल्याला काही एम्प्टी बॉक्सेस दिलेले आहेत, ते आपल्याला काय करायचे, फिल करायचे आहेत. तर इथं आपल्याला पहिलं एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे 1, 8, 15 अँड 22. 1, 8, 15 and 22 and so on. Here we have to write the value of A, then the value of T1, T2 and T3. So here we will write the value of A. Value of A काय असतं आपला, A आपला असतो T1, म्हणजे A ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला इथं 1 आहे. Then we have to write the value of T1. T1 is also 1. Then T2 is, the value of T2 is 8. Then the value of T3 is 15. And then the value of T4. आपल्याला T3 पर्यंतच विचारलेलं आहे, पण T3 पर्यंत आपण लिहिलं. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला T2 मायनस T1 ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला शोधायची आहे. सो हिअर वी विल फाइंड T2 मायनस T1. T2 मायनस T1. आता T2 किती आहे आपला, इथं T2 ची व्हॅल्यू आपली 8 आहे, मायनस द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ T1 विच इज इक्वल टू 1. सो दिस व्हॅल्यू विल बी इक्वल टू 8 minus 1, that is 7. Then again we are asked that the value of T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. So here we will write T3 which is equal to 15 minus T2. T2 is 8 and 15 minus 8 which is equal to 7 again. And after that we have to write the value of D. तर D ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे, आपला दोन कॉन्जिक्युटिव्ह टर्म मधला जो कॉमन डिफरन्स असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, D म्हणतो, आणि त्याची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे आपली, 7. नंबर सेकंड आपल्याला नेक्स्ट सिक्वेन्स दिलेला आहे 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. Here also we have to write the value of T1, T2, T3 and T4. So we will write T1 which is equal to 3, T2 which is equal to 6, T3 which is equal to 9 and fourth term that is T4 which is equal to 12. Then we are asked that find the value of T2 minus T1. So we will find T2 minus T1. What is T2? T2 is 6 minus T1 is 3 and our answer will be equal to 3. Again we have asked value of T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 and T3 minus T2 we will get T3 that is 9 minus T2 is 6. Again 9 minus 6 which is equal to 3. Then we have to write the value of D. So the value of D is here 3. The value of D is 3. Third example given, that is minus 3 minus 8. Minus 3 minus 8. Again minus 13. Minus 13 and minus 18 and so on. Here we have to write the value of T3, T2, T4 and T1. So first we will write the value of T3. What is the value of T3? That is third term, that is minus 13. Then we are asked to write T2. T2 is minus 8. Again T4. T4 which will be equal to minus 18. And lastly we are asked that the value of T1. So here T1 will be equal to our first term and that is minus 3. Then we ask the value of A and D. T2 minus T1, then T3 minus T2 and the value of A and D. So we will find T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1, or T2 is minus 8 minus T1. T1 is minus 3. So minus minus 3 and the value will be equal to minus 8 minus minus plus 3 and we will get the answer minus 5. Again we have to find out T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. So our T3 is minus 13 minus T2. T2 is equal to minus 8. So this will be minus 13 minus plus 8, which is equal to minus 13 plus 8, and that is equal to minus 5. Lastly, we have to write the value of A and D. So what is our A? A is our first term, and first term is minus 3. And the value of D is equal to, that is the common difference between two consecutive terms, and that is minus 5. Then fourth example, we are given sequence 70, 60, 50 and 40. 70, 60, 50 and 40 and so on. Here we have to write T1, T2 and T3. So we will write T1, which is our first term, that is 70, T2, which is equal to 60. Then we have to write T3 and third term, that is 50. Again we have to write A and D. So our A is T1 and that is 70. The value of D, which will be equal to the difference between two consecutive terms, that we will take T2 minus T1, and this will be equal to 60 minus 70. 60 minus 70, which is equal to minus 10. Or example number 2, decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, then find the 20th term of the प्रोग्रेशन. तर आपल्याला खाली प्रोग्रेशन दिलेली आहे आणि आपल्याला डिसाईड करायचं आहे की ती अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन आहे का, आणि असेल तर आपल्याला काय करायचं, वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट 20th टर्म. सो वी हॅव गिवन -12 -5 2 9 16 23 and 30 and so on. तर आपल्याला एक सिक्वेन्स दिलेली आहे आणि आपल्याला हे अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशनमध्ये आहे का नाही ते डिसाईड करायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, आपल्याला T1, T2, T3 ह्या सर्व व्हॅल्यूज आपण आधी राईट डाऊन करू. सो हिअर T1 विल बी इक्वल टू -12, the value of T2 which is equal to -5, T3 equal to 2, T4 is 9, T5 is 16, then T6 which is equal to 23, T7 which is equal to 30. Then we will find the difference between two consecutive terms, that is T2 minus T1, then T3 minus T2, T4 minus T3. So we will find first T2 minus T1, which is equal to -5 minus -12, and we will get -5 minus plus 12, and difference between 12 minus 5, which will be equal to 7. Again T3 minus T2, 2 minus -5, 2 minus -5, which is equal to 2 plus 5, and that is equal to also 7. Again T4 minus T3, T4 minus T3, that is 9 minus 2, the answer is 7. Again T5 minus T4, 16 minus 9, which is equal to again 7. Then T6 minus T5, 23 minus 16, which is again equal to 7, and T7 minus T6, that is 13 minus 30 minus 23, which is equal to again 7. So the difference between two consecutive term is constant and given sequence is in a AP. Here difference between two consecutive term is constant and so given sequence is an AP. दिलेला सिक्वेन्स आपल्याला AP आहे कारण दोन कॉन्जिक्युटिव्ह टर्म मधला डिफरन्स आपल्याला कॉन्स्टंट आलेला आहे. आता यानंतर काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला, वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द 20th टर्म. सो टू फाइंड 20th टर्म, to find T20, 20th term means T20, we have to take our first term, that is A. Here A is equal to our first term, that is minus 12. D is common difference, that is 7. Here we have to find out 20th term, that is T20, and so n will be equal to 20. So the value of n is 20 and we will find here T20. So we have formula, we have Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We will put the values here. Tn, that is T20, which will be equal to A is minus 12 plus n minus 1, n is 20 minus 1 into D is 7. So this will be equal to minus 12, 20 minus 1, this will be equal to 19 into 7 equal to minus 12 plus 9 into 7, that is 63. 7 into 1, that is 7 plus 6, that is 13, 133. So this will be equal to minus 12, 133. The 3 minus 2, that is 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2, and 1 minus 0, that is 1. So our answer is 121, and so T20, which is equal to 121. So 20th term, 20th किंवा 20 term, so 20th term of given AP is 121. Here in example number 3, we have given arithmetic progression, that is 12, 16, 20 and 24, and we have to find out 24 term of the given progression. आता जे उदाहरण दिलेलं आपल्याला हे ऑलरेडी काय आहे, अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन मध्ये आहे आणि म्हणून आपल्याला दोन टर्म मधला जो डिफरन्स असतो तो आपल्याला AP दाखवण्यासाठी जो आपण घेतो तो घेण्याची गरज नाही, कारण आपल्याला दिलेलं जे एक्झाम्पल आहे ते अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशनचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, आपल्याला T24 इथं शोधायचं आहे. त्यासाठी आपण आपल्या व्हॅल्यूज घेऊ आधी. सो आवर फर्स्ट टर्म, दॅट इज इक्वल टू T1, that is A, which is equal to 12. Then we will find D. D will be the difference between any two consecutive term, that is 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12, which will be equal to 4. Again we have to find out T24. आपल्याला T24 म्हणजे 24 टर्म काढायची आपल्याला. सो हिअर number of term will be equal to 24. So n will be equal to 24. Then we will write the formula. We know that our formula for Tn is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values. So Tn, that is T24, which will be equal to a, that is 12, plus our n is 24 minus 1 into the value of d. D is equal to 4. So this will be equal to 12 plus 24 minus 1, that is 23 into 4, and this will be equal to 12 plus 92. This will be equal to 92, and the addition will 2 plus 2 4 and 9 plus 1, that is 10, and we have T24. So 24th term of given EP is 104. So here we can write 24th term of given AP is 104. Here in example 5, we have to find out 27 term of the given AP, and our AP is 9, 4, minus 1, minus 6 and 11. तर आपल्याला 27 टर्म शोधायची आहे. त्यासाठी आपण काय करू, आधी अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशनसाठी आपण ए लिहून घेऊ. So our A is equal to our first term, and that is 9. To find D, we will subtract first term from second term, that is T2 minus T1, that is 4 minus 9, which will be equal to minus 5. We have to find out 27 terms. So here we have n is equal to 27, and we have to find out T27. Now we know the formula to find the nth term, that is we have Tn, that is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn, that is T27, equal to a is 9 plus value of n is 27 minus 1 into the value of d, which is equal to minus 5. So this will be equal to 9 plus 26 into minus 5. So this will be 9, this will be plus minus minus 6 into 5, that is 30, then 5 into 2, that is 10, 10 plus 3, that is 130, and this will be equal to 130 minus 9, that will be equal to minus 121. So our 27 term is minus 121. So 27th term of given AP is minus 121. Here in example 6, we have to find out how many 3-digit natural number are divisible by 5. तर आपल्याला किती 3-digit नंबर्स असे आहेत की त्यांना विच इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 5, ज्यांना 5 न भाग जाणार आहे असे आपल्याला शोधायचे आहेत. आता 3-digit नंबर आपले सुरुवात कुठून होतात, 100 पासून, आणि संपतात कुठं, 999 पर्यंत. सो आवर फर्स्ट 3-digit नंबर इज 100 and our last 3-digit number is 999. But all these number between 100 and 99 are not divisible by 5. So our first digit will be equal to 100. Then next digit will be 105, 110 and so on up to 999 is not divisible by 5. So before that 995 will be divisible by 5. So we will write the numbers 3 digit natural number divisible by 5 are. So our first number will be 100, then 105, 110 up to our last number will be equal to 995. So these number are in AP. These numbers are in AP, or these number are in arithmetic progression. So we have to find out the how many numbers are divisible by 5. For that we will write A, D, T, N, and we will find N. So here A is equal to 100, D is equal to 105 minus 100 equal to 5. Then we don't know how many numbers are there, so N will be equal to N, and we have last number, that is Tn, that is equal to 995. So we have Tn is 995. Now we will find the value of N with the help of formula. So our formula is Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Put the values. Here Tn is 995 equal to value of A is 100 plus we don't know N minus 1 into the value of D is 5. We will solve this. This is 995 equal to 100 plus 5 into N, that is 5N, 5 into minus 1, this will be minus 5. So here we will get 995, which is equal to 100 minus 5, that is equal to 95 plus 5N. Now we will find the value of N. So this will be 5N is equal to 995 minus 95. So 5N will be equal to 995 minus 95 will be equal to 900, and so N is equal to 900 divided by 5. So this will be 5 ones are 5, then we will 4 5 8 are 40 and 0. So the value of N is equal to 180. So there are 180 numbers or 80 natural numbers. So there are 180 natural numbers there are 180 natural three digit natural numbers divisible by 5. And 29 respectively. Then find the 41th term. Here we have given 11 term, that is T11 given, T21 is also given, and we have to find out 41 term. So we will write 11 term, that is T11, which is given to us, that is equal to 16. Then 21st term is given, T21, which is equal to 29, and we have to find out 41st term. Find T41. अशा उदाहरणामध्ये काय करायचं, आपल्याला T11 दिलेलं आहे. T11 इज 16, T21 इज 29. तर आपल्याला दोन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन अशा एक्झाम्पलमध्ये बनवावं लागतात आणि आपल्याला त्यासाठी कशाचा यूज करावा लागतो, आपल्या फॉर्म्युल्याचा. Tnचा जो फॉर्म्युला आपला त्याचा यूज करून आपण T11 शोधू, T21 सुद्धा शोधू आणि आपल्याला दोन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन बनतात. सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन सोडवल्यानंतर आपल्याला ए आणि डीच्या व्हॅल्यूज मिळतात आणि नंतर आपल्याला काय करायचं असते, नंतर आपल्याला जी टर्म शोधायची सांगितली ती आपण इझिली फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. सो वी विल राईट फर्स्ट फॉर्म्युला. सो वी हॅव Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we have to find T11. So for n equal to 11, for n equal to 11, we will get T11 equal to a plus 11 minus 1 into d. T11 we know that is 16. So 16 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 is 10 d. So we get a plus 10 d equal to 16. A plus 10 d equal to 16, and this is our first equation. Now we will find T21. So for n equal to 21, for n equal to 21, put the values T21 which is equal to a plus the value of n is 21 minus 1 into d. T21 is 29 and a plus 21 minus 1, that is 20 into d. So we will get a plus 20d, a plus 20d which is equal to 29, and this is our second equation. So here we have two equation, that is a plus 10d equal to 16. This is one some equation. Second equation, a plus 20d equal to 29. So here the coefficient of a are equal, so we can easily find out the value of d. So here we will subtract equation first from second. Subtract equation first from second. So write second equation, a plus 20d equal to 29. First equation, a plus 10d equal to 16. So change the signs here, minus minus and this also minus. A minus a will get cancel or 0. So 20d minus 10d will be equal to 10d. 9 minus 6 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So the value of d equal to 13 by 10 or equal to 1.3. This is the value of d. Now we can find a with the help of equation 1 or 2. So we will put the value of d in equation first. Put d equal to 13 upon 10 in equation first. Our first equation is equal to a plus 10d, a plus 10d equal to 16. So a plus 10, the value of d is 13 by 10 equal to 16. 10 10 get cancelled, we have a plus 13 equal to 16, and the value of a will be equal to 16 minus 13, and a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. So here we have a equal to 3, and the value of d is 13 by 10 or 1.3, and now we can easily find out the value of T41. To find T41, put a equal to 3, d equal to 1.3, n equal to 41, and we will find here T41. So write again the equation. So Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn, that is T41 will be equal to the value of a is 3 plus this is 41 minus 1 into the value of d, that is 1.3. So this will be equal to 3 plus 40 into 1.3, and this is equal to 3 plus 13 into 0, that is 0, 13 into 4, that is 52, and here will be point. So this will be equal to 52 plus 3, that is equal to 55, and this is our T41. So our 41st term, so our 40th term is 55, and so 41st term of AP is 55. Here is the example 8th. We have given 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. In this AP, which term is minus 151. Here the terms in arithmetic progression is decreasing. Here 11, 8, 5, 2. Again the next number will be less than 2, and then the number will be equal minus with minus sign. So here we are asked that there will be minus 151. Then in this AP which term is minus 151? तर मायनस 151 हा नंबर कुठे येणार, म्हणजे त्याचा n काय असणार हे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, शोधायचं आहे. त्यासाठी काय करू आपण, a ची व्हॅल्यू काढू, d ची काढू, आणि आपल्याला लास्ट नंबर काय घ्यावा लागेल इथं, मायनस 151. दिस विल बी आवर Tn. सो हिअर वी हॅव a इज इक्वल टू 11, द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ d विल बी इक्वल टू 8 minus 11 or 5 minus 8. So this will be 8 minus 11, and this is equal to minus 3. Again we have Tn. Tn we have given, that is a minus 151, and simply we have to find out the value of n. Now write the formula. We have Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So put the values. Tn, the value of Tn is minus 151. So this will be minus 151, which is equal to Tn equal to a is 11 plus the value of n, we don't know n minus 1 into the value of d is minus 3. Now minus 151 equal to 11 plus minus 3 into n, this will be minus 3n and this will be minus 3n. Again minus 1 into minus 3, this will be plus 3. This will be plus 3. Minus 151 equal to 11 plus 3, this will be 14. Minus 3n. So now we have to find the value of n. So we will take 3n to this side and minus 151 to this. So this will be equal to 3n and 14 is here. This will be plus 151. 3n equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1. So n is equal to 165 and divided by 3. So this value will be 3 5, that is 15. Again 3 5 is 15 and n equal to 55. So minus 155 minus 151 is 55th term. So here we can write here minus 151 is 55th term of given arithmetic progression. Our next example is 9. In the natural number from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 3? So here we have to find out how many numbers are divisible by 3 from 10 to 250. तर 10 आणि 250 च्या मध्ये किती नॅचरल नंबर्स आहेत की त्यांना 3 that can be divided by 3. Now we will write the number which are divisible by 3. So our first number will be 3 into 3 9, 3 into 4, that is 12. So our first number will be 12. Then next number will be 15, again 18, and so on up to our last number will 250. We know the test of 3. 3 डिव्हिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट करण्यासाठी आपण काय करतो, दिलेला नंबर जो आहे आपण दिलेल्या नंबरची डिजिटची सम घेतो आणि त्या समला जर 3 डिवाइड झाला तो तर आपण तो नंबर सुद्धा 3 डिव्हिजिबल आहे असं घेतो. तर इथं 0 + 5 + 2 दिस विल बी 7 अँड 7 इज नॉट डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3. 7 इज नॉट डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3. सो 250 इज नॉट डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3. सो आता याची सम किती येऊन राहिली आपल्याला 7 येऊन राहिली. मग आपल्याला आधीचा नंबर जर घेतला त्याची आपल्याला किती येईल सम 6 येईल आणि 6 डिव्हिजिबल असतो. 6 इज डिव्हिजिबल बाय 3. सो आवर लास्ट नंबर विल बी 249. सो आवर लास्ट नंबर विल बी 249. याची सम जर घेतली आपण तर दिस विल बी 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 15 is divisible by 3 and so this number is also divisible by 3. Now we have to find out how many numbers are there. So we will write the value of a, d. This is our a, the difference between two number is d. This is our tn. So we will write a, that is equal to 12, d is equal to 15 minus 12, that is equal to 3, tn which is equal to 249, and we have to find out the value of n. Now write the formula. We have tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the values. Tn is 249, equal to the value of a is 12 plus n minus 1 into value of d is 3. Now solve this. 249 equal to 12, 3 into n, that is plus 3n, 3 into minus 1, this will be minus 3. So this is 249 equal to 12 minus 3, this will be 9 plus 3n. Now take 9 on the left hand side, we will get 249 minus 9 will be equal to 3n, and 3n will be equal to 240, and n is equal to 240 divided by 3. So this will be 3, 3 8 the 24, and this is 0. So n is equal to 80. So there are 80 terms. There are 80 terms between 10 and 250 which are divisible by 3. So here we can write there are 80 terms divisible by 3 between 10 and 215. Here is example 10. We have given in an AP 17 term is 7 more than its 10 term. इथं काय दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला, अशी एक अर्थमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन आहे जिची 17 टर्म ही 10 टर्मपेक्षा 7 कशी आहे, मोठी आहे. आणि आपल्याला काय शोधायचं आहे, हिअर वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट द कॉमन डिफरन्स. सो हिअर वी विल फाइंड 17 टर्म, then 10 term, and we will take the difference between both term equal to 7, and we can easily find out the value of common difference, that is D. Now we have formula. We have Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. First we will find 17 term, that is T17. So for n equal to 17, T17 will be equal to a plus 17 minus 1 into D, and T17 will be equal to a plus 16D. So this is our first equation, or this is our 17 term. Now we will find the 10 term. For n equal to 10, now put the value of n equal to 10 in this formula. T10 will be equal to a plus 10 minus 1 into D. So T10 will be equal to a plus 9D. This is our second equation, or this is the value of our 10 term. So our 17 term is equal to a plus 16D, 10 term is a plus 9D, and we have given that 17 term is more than is 10 term by 7, means 17 term is larger than 10 term by 7, and so we can take the difference between these two term equal to 7. So we can write T17 minus T10, which is equal to 7, and this is given to us. Now we will write 17 term minus 10 term. So our 17 term is a plus 16D minus 10 term is a plus 9D, which is equal to 7. Now we will solve this. A plus 16D minus a minus 9d, which will be equal to 7. So a plus a minus get cancelled, 16d minus 9d. So this will be 7. So this will be 7d equal to 7, and the value of d will be equal to 7 divided by 7, and the value of d is equal to 1, which is our common difference. So common difference is 1. Is 1. The value of common difference is 1.